Hello my wonderful lazy dancer, welcome to Lazy Dancer Tips. I'm Alessia. It is a new year and with every new year we want this year to start at its best, and I'm gonna try to help you out to make it happen every step of the way. Every single Wednesday I'm gonna be here making you dance. You know I'm never gonna let you down. Even if things just kind of crash on us throughout time, we can get back up and we can keep on dancing through good and bad times. So this time I'm here to reset everything. As I said, it's the beginning of the year. So what's the best way to reset and restart? So let's start with the very basics. So we start with the basic bar, center bar, to work on our muscles, reactivate our body metabolism, and concentrate, get grounded, and get our feet on the ground ready to take the next step forward. And remember, if you need an extra help into moving forward and having a little plan that you can do at any point, my Get Ballerina Fit is just down here in the link below, and you can click and download it. It's completely free and is there for you at your disposal to get you healthy, fit, and going for the rest of the year. So if you're ready for this, let's start with the center bar and reset everything around us and within us. Let's bar it. Here we go, let's recenter, let's go back to basic, and let's connect to all our limbs at once. So connect to your core, connect to your nice posture, open up your chest, not the ribs, just opening up the shoulders and the chest. Very good. From here, we're gonna start with simple plies. We're gonna go 1, hand in first, hand in first, hand in first, from there up, and we go down. From there, flex your hands, keep your hands there. We're gonna go down. Don't stick your bum out. Come on, control it. I know how hard it is. Heels down, no popo out. Come back up. Very good. Lift and down. Back to parallel. Start again. Come on, breathe. And breathe. And in. Very good. Smile. And in. 2 feet together. Very good. And lift. And down. Flex your hands, ready for the challenge. Going down and down. Gorgeous. Coming back up and up. And breathe. And down. This time we go to the second position. Parallel. Very good. We go in. Look at where your knees are going. Not there, not weird. Yes, in. And out, and in, and out, and in, and out. From there, lift. Very good. Keep on smiling. Flex your hands. Keep them there. Come on, engage those quads. Good. From there, we go down. Tailbone goes all the way down. Push the knees out, not your feet, your knees. Very good. Coming back up and up. You lift. Down, feet parallel. We breathe. Knees over the toes. Aha. And out. And in. And out. And in. And out. And push. And breathe. You flex, very good, all the way. Keep on smiling. Head out of the water, good. And up. You lift. Coming down. Tippy toes back together. From here we go up, up. Hands on the hips if you want to, otherwise up here. We're gonna go squeezing down, don't plonk it down, very good. And then from there, let's find the balance and the strength. Coming back up, good. Squeeze, good. Find that balance, see? Everyone has got to find their balance. Very good. Coming back up. And again, squeeze. Don't move the hips. Coming back up. And squeeze. Good. Coming back up. And squeeze. Good. And up. Don't let this happen because otherwise we can't find the balance. Squeeze up and over. Engage that core. And in. Very good. Squeeze. And up. And squeeze. Good. Up. A few more. Squeeze. Control. And smile. And down. Good. Shake your hands. Shake your arms. Beautiful. From there, back into our second position. From here, we're gonna go lift, press it down, elbows up here, don't give me this setting. Good, nice and proud of yourself, good. Lifting up, coming up, and lift. Push the arches, smile, and up, open up, very good. Connect, we go up, pressing down, and up, squeeze the heels, and open the arms, very good. Lift, and down, and up, and press, a few more. Up, down, and up, and press, up, and down, and up, and press. This time, we hold, we stay over there, very good. Like you've got a table in front of you and you're pressing down on top of the table, not going forward, but pressing to find that balance. Very good. Breathe, breathe, breathe. Coming up and down. From here down, we find a small stretch, reaching for the arm at the back, reaching for the arm at the front. Very good. Coming back up. Ooh. Very good. And up and over. Over there. Breathe. Find the twist. Almost like you want to reach for that corner over there. This corner over here. Coming back to the top. Very good. Up and over. And reach. Yes, you can look at the back if you want to. As long as you promise me to engage that quad over there. Ah. Good. Coming back up, very good. And up and over. Good, engage the quad here. Good, feel the stretch in the hip. Very nice. Coming back and breathe. Nice and simple. We're going to go up onto demi. We are only gonna open the arms, not from the elbows. Stay up on demi point, even if I'm explaining. Come on, we gotta work on those legs as well. Going back to basic, getting those muscles to work. Very good. From here, think of open up from the fingers. The elbows don't really move. Yes, open up the chest. Very good. And coming back in. Good. Nice and simple. And you've got a tabletop here and a tabletop here. Good. Tabletop. Opening your arms on top of the tabletop. Very nice. Nice and painful. I know. Simple but very effective. Stay up on your tippy toe. Come on. Come on. Come on. You can. Oh yes. Feel the shake. Open your arms. Feel the shake and the squeeze and the things and the burn from your calves as well. Very nice. Come back in. Core engage. Butt. Squeeze that butt. Squeeze the butt. Yes. Very good. Open it up. Open up. Breathe. Breathe. Come back down and squeeze just to finish off. Find that nice stretch. Opening up the arms to the back. Find a nice stretch up at the top and to your calf and the quad. Yes, so don't give me the sticking out bum thing. The tailbone is still going down. Hips are pushing forward and you're pressing the heel down as much as possible. Opening up the chest, feeling free. Good, like Dobby's free. Good, and you can say, I'm free too. Okay, enough of that. And breathe, stretch on the other side. And breathe, core engage, pushing the hip forward and pressing that foot onto the ground, opening up the chest. Good. Come back in and down. Grab your quad, give it a good stretch. Knees together, pressing the heel onto the butt. The butt, the butt. Very good. And press, push the knee slightly back, feel the extra stretch. Breathe and let it go. Come back in, other side, and breathe. Keep on smiling. Very good. Nice, awesome, fab. Press the knee at the back, push the hip forward, squeeze the butt, knee onto the bum, So many things. Oh yes, we love that. Breathe and down. Give it a good shake. Good shake. Down, nice and tall. Come back to that posture. Come back to that feeling. Come back to your grounded self. Very good. Ready to start the rest of the day like a pro. Very well done.